Hello students, I am Kinjal Parmar. Welcome back to the video lecture series of microprocessor and microcontroller. Today we will discuss LCD, GLCD and TFT interfacing with AVR. So let's start with LCD. LCD is a basically liquid crystal display. Basically it is used to display characters and numbers. Okay, so in a recent year the LCD is finding a widespread use replacing LEDs. This is due to the following reason: the decline prices of LCDs, the ability of the display numbers, characters and the graphic. This is in a contrast to LEDs which are limited to numbers and a few characters. Incorporation of refreshing controller into the LCD, thereby relieving the CPU of the task of refreshing the LCD. In contrast, the LED must be refreshed by the CPU. And last is of programming for the characters and graphics. Due to all these advantages of LCD, this LCD is widely used in a real-time applications. Next we have a GLCD. This GLCD is basically a graphics LCD, and as this name suggests, is a type of LCD which can display graphics. GLCD is a display device that can be used in an embedded system for displaying data, image, custom characters. Basically 128x64 graphics LCD or says GLCD is a matrix of pixels. Each pixel is accessed by their X and Y address and visualize any pixel by making its value high. That means by making its value is equals to 1. So this is GLCD. Next we have various LCDs over here. So these all are the pins position of various LCD. All the LCDs displays devices numbers are written over here. All these devices have a pin configuration like this. Let's discuss one of the pin configurations of LCDs. Okay, so for that here we have a LCD interfacing with AVR. This AVR and its port A and port B is connected with LCD like this. This PA to P0 is connected to the D0 to D7 of LCD. Then PB0 and PB1 and PB2 are connected with RS, then read and write and enable pin of LCDs. Then VCC plus 5 volt supply, VEE, then it is connected like this, and VSS that is connected like ground like this. So this is LCD interfacing with AVR to transfer some characters or any numbers like this. Okay, this LCDs have a pin function like this. It has a VSS which is a ground, then VCC, then this is a plus 5 volt supply, then VEE power supply to control the contrast, then RS is basically used to select a resistor. RS is a resistor select. So when RS is equals to 0, then command resistor is selected, and RS is equals to 1, then data resistor is selected. Then this RW, so this is read and write bit. So whenever this is equals to 0, then it is a write operation is done. When R and W is equals to 1, then read operation is done. Then E for enable, and DB0 to DB7 used for data bus. Now we can interface LCDs with AVR, and using this kinds of program we can do performing of any transfer of characters. We can display any character. So here we have this kinds of long program for LCD display, and to then refer our characters like this, and then send these characters into LCD. Generally in AVR, these all are the pre-planned program, or says all are written in a AVR example programs. So these all are the very long programs to understand, but let's discuss about some of the LCD's configurations. So here in first, LCD data port, LCD data DR and pin and port configurations are done over here. Then stacks are written over here. Then here this program makes to initialize the LCDs to display data. Okay, so here this can be used to display the data, and here there is a command word is used to generate a setting in the LCDs and to send a data over a LCD through AVR. So these all are the programs of LCDs. This program is continue. So then after deciding command word, this is data word or data write functions or data loop functions can be written over here using this kinds of instructions. Then there is a delay, and here this delay of 100 millisecond is generated to transfer a data after 100 millisecond, and this is a delay of 2 millisecond. So this is how this LCD program can be written in assembly language to transfer a data. Here also there is a program of LCD in a C language. In a C language also we can write LCD program like this. So these are the programs, and here this program is continue over here. This program is basically used to send a data, or says used to send a one character. So this is our LCD programming in C. Now next here we have a TFT interfacing. TFT, that means thin film transistor. This TFT is a type of LCD flat panel display screen. It is called so because each pixel is controlled by transistor. That's why this TFT technology provides the best resolution of all the flat panel technologies, but it also have most expensive, and TFT displays are usually designated to run at a specific resolution. Here there is a 8 pins TFT display. First is RST, CS, then T and C, that means data and command, D in, clock, VCC, BL and ground. So all these are the thin film transistor flat panel LCD devices. Thank you.